Generasyon La Castellana.
Next up, we have Lynn Ay Sang La Castellana. All right, sure. So the number that she has chosen is number 11. And it is from KBP Negros Occidental. Your question is, how would you promote the everyday culture in your province?
As stewards of God's creation, I believe it is our sole purpose to preserve and conserve not only our nature, but also our heritage and especially our culture. I believe that we could promote this everyday culture by sharing what we are truly as a person, because I believe that we are the reflection of our culture and it gives us the identity. So this is also a celebration, the Panaad Sang Negros is a celebration of the different diversity of culture that clashes and unites.
Thank you so much, Lynn Ay Sang La Castellana, a diverse culture we have here in our province.
Ginaselebrar sang Banana Festival ang aton manggad kag bugay diri sa Negros. Ilabi na gid sa banwang La Castellana nga hindi mabayluhan sang maski ano pa nga butang. Ini nagapakita kung paano naton halungan ang aton mga panublion halin sa una hasta subong para sa mga masunod nga henerasyon. Agod ila ipadayon nga amligan kag tipigan. Arangka La Castellana.
Manglugayawan ako pabalik sa dutang natauhan. Kailang nga islas ang buglas Negros ginhingalan akon nga pagabalik doon. Hinding aton mga dunang pananublion. Magasakay ako sa mga tren nga halanon. Butong-butong mga pagon kalamay katingison. Tulog katawhay sa huna-huna balatsagon. Kultura kag panlion uligdan sa gihapon. Panublion nga tingin matubungan sang bisan ano pa nga kamangarang. Brilyante man o kun bulawan hindi pagbayluhan ang panublion sang aton katigulangan. Dalayon nga sang pinion, ginpabagon ang tugtog sa
The Castellana seal is comprised of the green leaf, which symbolizes the center of agri and ecotourism industries, a resilient and livable community. It also features Municipal Hall, where people are sustained by immortal legacy of culture and history where it connects to its people. The national flag, which showcases the spirit of our place, ambitious, vigorous, and fearless. And Mount Canaan, that covers the hidden gems of our Mother Nature. Behold, the beauty of La Castellana, designer Tufe Warimon.